Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 5.84 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is a car with mass 1275 kilograms. So in given data, mass of car is given to us as 1275 kilogram, is driven at 65 km per hour when the brakes are applied quickly to decrease its speed to 20 km per hour. It means that initial velocity vi is equal to 60 km per hour. Convert this into meter per second. So this is 60 and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Divide by 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So this is equal to 60 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600 is equal to 16.666 meter per second. And after applied quickly, after when the brakes are applied quickly to decrease its speed to 20, so it means that this is final velocity 20 km per hour. So convert this into meter per second. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So this is 20, this is not 60 but this is 20. So 20 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600 is equal to 5.555 meter per second. Assume that the brake pads have a 0.5 kilogram mass with a heat capacity of 1.1 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So mass of brake pads is equal to 0.5 kg and heat capacity of brake pads is equal to 1.1 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and that the brake disc drums are 4 kilogram of steel. Mass of disc drum mass of drums is made of steel is equal to 4 kilogram, and heat capacity for this drum which is made of steel is equal to approximately equal to 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. This is constant value. Further, assume that both masses are heated uniformly. Find the temperature increase in the brake assembly. Required is to find increase in temperature del T. Find del T or T2 minus T1. Find increase in temperature. So here we start solution. So first we find the kinetic energy, because in this case we assume that the all kinetic energy last is absorbed in the form of heat. So it means that kinetic energy is equal to del Q. So first we found change in kinetic energy for the whole system. So kinetic energy is equal to half mass of car Vi square minus half mass of car Vf square. As Vi is greater than Vf, so we write Vi minus Vf. So change in kinetic energy is equal to half mass of car, these are common, and Vi square minus Vf square. So putting the values to find change in kinetic energy, half mass of car is given to us as 1275 kilogram. Initial velocity in meter per second is 16.666 666 meter per second square minus Vf is 5.555 meter per second square. So change in kinetic energy is equal to 1275 divided by 2 is equal to 637.5 kilogram multiplied by 16.666 is equal to square is equal to 277.75 minus 5.555 square is equal to 30.85, and this is meter per second square, meter square per second square. So change in kinetic energy is equal to 637.5 multiplied by difference of these two values is equal to 15738.75, and unit is, I can write this as kilogram meter per second square into meter, because there are 2 meters. So kilogram meter into meter, meter square per second square. So kilogram meter per second square, this is equal to Newton, and this meter, this is Newton meter, and Newton meter is equal to joule. So we can write this as change in kinetic energy is equal to 157398.75 joule. This is the change in kinetic energy. So we assume that all the last and all the kinetic energy lost is converted into heat or energy, internal energy absorbed in the brake system, because there is brake. When it applies the brakes, the initial velocity, decreases from 60 km per hour to 20 km per hour. So all the kinetic energy is absorbed in the form of internal energy or in the form of heat in the brake system. So we assume that all the kinetic energy lost is absorbed in the form of heat during applying the brake. So it means that del Q is equal to heat gain is equal to lost and kinetic energy, which is equal to 157398.75 joule. This is del Q. Now we find C, total heat capacity. So now we will calculate the total heat capacity for the brake system. So C total is equal to mass of pad multiplied by heat capacity of pads plus mass of drums, disc or drum made of steel multiplied by heat capacity of drum made of steel. So C total is equal to, putting the values here, so mass of pad is given to us as 0.5 kilogram. Heat capacity of pad is given to us as 1.1 kilojoule per kilogram, plus mass of drum is given to us as 4 kilogram multiplied by heat capacity per drum made of steel is 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. This unit is per Kelvin. So This kilogram is cancelled with kilogram. Here kilogram is cancelled with kilogram. So C total is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 1.1 is equal to 0.55 kilojoule per Kelvin plus 4 multiplied by 0.46 is equal to 1.84 kilojoule per Kelvin. Our C total is equal to, further simplify this, which is equal to 2.39 kilojoule per Kelvin. This is C total. Now, as we know that del Q is equal to C total multiplied by del T, and del T is the required value. This is the required value. C total calculated by us, and del Q heat absorbed in the brake system. This is actually equal to the loss of kinetic energy. So del Q calculated by us is 157398.75 joule divided by is equal to C total is 2.39 kilojoule. Kilo is equal to 1000 joule per Kelvin multiply by del T. So this implies that del T is equal to 157398.75 joule divided by 2.39 multiplied by 1000 joule per Kelvin. So joule will be cancelled with joule, and del T is equal to, simplify this, which is equal to 65.857 Kelvin, and difference in Kelvin and difference in degree centigrade are equal. So we can write this as 65.857 degree centigrade. Both are equal because if we check the melting point of water at 1 atmospheric pressure, so melting point of water in degree centigrade is 0 degree centigrade, and boiling point is 100 degree centigrade. Similarly, on Kelvin scale, the melting point of water is 273 Kelvin and boiling point is 373. So this difference is same. 100 minus 0 is 100 degrees centigrade, and 373 minus 273 is equal to 100 Kelvin. So this difference is equal. So it means that 65.857 Kelvin is equal to 65.857 degrees centigrade. So this is the final solution, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.